Now, first problem for the day: if y to the power 1 by m plus y to the power minus 1 by m equals to 2x, prove that x square minus 1 d2y by dx2 plus x dy dx minus m square y equals to 0. It is this problem based on second order derivative. Now, given y to the power 1 by m plus y to the power minus 1 by m equals to 2x. For my convenience, I will take y to the power 1 by m equals to k. Therefore, k y to the power minus 1 by m, that means 1 by k equals to 2x. Therefore, k square plus 1 by k equals to 2x. Therefore, k square minus 2xk plus 1 equals to 0. Now, if I use Siddharacharya method, I will get k equals to minus b, that is 2x, plus minus b square, that is 2x whole square, minus 4ac, 4, what is a 1, what is c 1, by 2 into 1. So you get 2x plus minus 4x square minus 4 by 2. Taking 2 common, I can take 2 common from the numerator and 2 common from the denominator. So 2 get cancelled. So finally I get k equals to x plus minus under root x square plus 1, x square minus 1. Now what is k? Y to the power 1 by m equals to k. So y to the power 1 by m equals to x plus minus under root x square plus x square minus 1. Now if I take positive sign, you get y to the power 1 by m x plus under root x square minus 1, or I can write y equals to x plus under root x square minus 1 whole to the power m. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get what? Dy dx. This power will come out because this looks like x to the power m. What is the derivative of x to the power m? M into x to the power m minus 1. So m into under root x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1. Since it is a composite function, ddx of x plus under root x square minus 1, or dy dx equals to m x plus under root x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1. Now derivative of x is 1 and derivative of this one is half into 1 by root over of x square minus 1 into 2x. So finally you get m into x plus under root x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1 into, after doing calculation, x plus root over of x square minus 1 by under root x square minus 1. By cross multiplying we will get under root x square minus 1 dy dx. is equals to m into x plus root over of x square minus 1 whole to the power m. Now look, this is your y. From this is y. So you get under root x square minus 1 dy dx equals to m into y. Now squaring both sides you will get x square minus 1 dy dx whole square equals to m square y square. Again differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get. Now since we are running short of page, I will erase this part, mark it star here. We can take a screenshot of it. So this looks like u into v. So you get x square minus 1 ddx of dy dx whole square 2 dy dx into again ddx of dy dx, that is equals to d2y by dx2 plus x square minus 1 dy dx whole square into ddx of x square minus 1, that is 2x minus 0, and here you will get m square into 2y dy dx. Now here 2 dy dx common, here 2 dy dx common, here 2 dy dx common. So taking 2 dy dx common from the left hand side as well as the right hand side, you will get x square minus 1 d2y by dx2 plus x dy dx equals to m square y. Therefore x square minus 1 d2y by dx2 plus x dy dx minus m square y equals to 0. Now here I take the positive sign, here I take the positive sign. If I take the negative sign and with a similar approach, then we taking negative sign means y equals to x minus under root x square minus 1 whole to the power m with a similar approach. You can see that x square minus 1 d2y by dx2 plus x dy dx minus m square y equals to 0, and this is your problem.